What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl here, Holly Creations, and I am back with another video. Now, a couple of people have been asking me, can I do a video on a wave check? Since I've cut my hair, it has been 3 weeks since I have cut my locks, and I've been experimenting with makeup and everything because I know I'm not really into it. I have a new favorite thing now. I'm into lip gloss and lip liner. Look at that. Y'all see that? Lips popping right now. Lips popping right now. I think so far I've had one color change. My hair was supposed to be blue, but it came out green. So now I just re-dyed my hair blonde yesterday. Bleach is the devil. You heard me? Bleach is the freaking devil. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go on and show y'all how my wave game is going so far, because my hair is super curly, so it's like I don't really use any products in my hair. The only thing I use is water, vitamin E oil, and Shea butter. What is it? Shea butter Cantu. Yeah, shea butter Cantu. That's what I use. And my little 80 brush does the trick, even though it's different colors now. Yeah. I'm gonna go and show y'all my hair. There's not really reason to make this video long. Besides, you know. Maintenance has been really simple and free. I get my hair cut every 2 weeks, but I'm kind of wolfing right now, so I'm letting my hair grow out until the waves just like, so I'll just be like swimming up in there. I'm trying to be like swimming. Y'all don't hear me. I'm trying to be like, can I take a dab in your ocean? Ooh. I'm gonna go on and show y'all my hair. It should be dry now because I just moisturized and I get out the shower. Whew. Here we have to see these waves, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Swimming on your mama, you heard me? I'm swimming, baby. I'll show y'all my hair. I had a design, but as you can see, it's growing back already. So I might be going to get this touched up soon. Show y'all the side. Let y'all see the back if y'all can see it. Back. Yeah, I mean, like, y'all, I'm loving this whole bad body look. It really fits me like it does. I know some people are probably gonna ask, do I plan on growing my hair back out? Probably in the winter time, but since summer is coming up, your girl not finna be burning up. I'm not gonna be burning up this summer. That's dead. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna keep y'all updating on I'll have my waves going, you know what I'm saying? I feel like a real dude. I feel like a real dude brushing my hair now. That's okay. Cause you know what, y'all? I'm fine. I'm still fine. I'm beautiful. You heard me? Yes. But I'm in my little brushing segments. But yeah, that was all I had for this video. I just wanted to do a little update on my wave game and how it's coming. I'm getting there. If y'all have any questions on this cut, let me know. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you're feeling me, tap on that subscribe button. You hear me? if you like your girl, if you're feeling me, if you like my personality, just go and follow me, baby. For anybody that's new that's watching, my name is a miracle. That's my real name. You're gonna love me, okay? You're gonna love me. But that was all I have for this video. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.